So that means this 8 hours 20 minutes is going to be the numerator, because it is the one we are expressing as a fraction of this value. So 8 hours 20 minutes is our denominator. So I'm going to write 8 hours 20 minutes will be expressed as a fraction of a day. So the fraction of a day is 24 hours. I'm going to write 24 hours. Now, another thing we need to consider in these questions is the unit of measurements that we have, the time measurements that we have there. In the denominator we have hours, in the numerator we have hours and minutes. We are going to express the hours or convert the hours into minutes. Now we know that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So to convert this value 8 hours to minutes, we just simply say 8 times 60 minutes. Then the minute beside it, which is additional to it, we are going to put plus 20 minutes. And I'm going to include this in a bracket all over this 24 hours. So 24 hours will as well be converted to minutes by multiplying it by 60 minutes. So now let's evaluate this fraction. So evaluating this fraction, that will mean 8 times 60. So since 6 times 8 or 8 times 6 will give us 48, definitely 8 times 60 will give us 480 minutes. And then 480 minutes plus 20 minutes, and that will give us 500 minutes. Again, let me repeat that. 8 times 6 will give us 48. That means 8 times 60 will give us 480 minutes. So 480 minutes plus 20 minutes, that will give us what? 500 minutes. All over 24 times 6 will give us 144. That means 24 times 60 will give us 1,440 minutes. So what we need to do now is to cross out. So the numerator have the commonality with the denominator, which is minute. We cancel out what? Minute. Another commonality they have is 0 and 0. Now we are left out with 50 over 144. So I am going to write 50 over 144. So we will need to break down this 50 over 144 by looking for their common factor. So the common factor of 50 and 44 is 2. 2 will divide 50 and then we get what? 25. 2 will divide 144 and then we get what? 72. So we are going to have 25 over 7, 25 over 72. So this is the simplest form of this fraction. So the fraction of a day that is 8 hours 20 minutes is 25 over 72.